hotel apartment in Suha hotel apartment for a maternity shoot of my friend who is the wife of Bisangenyo alae.
But before the maternity shoot, we plan to surprise them with this. Nobody noticed that I'm recording. So let's see what's the preparation inside the master's bedroom. It's actually tears of joy. And we're gonna try our props. Yes, guys, we can do it. And the effect is this. And in the master's bedroom, they were also shocked and surprised.
Galing-galing naman. Kayo,
And now, with George, A.K.A. Bisangenyo alae. These are the people behind the scenes. And these are some of the pictures. And of course, the photo shoot will not be complete if you'll not do it outside.
Guys, we're here! The only guy here is Bisangenyo Alae. Say hi.
Bisangenyo, basa.
Bisangenyo. Wife of Bisangenyo Alae, Cherry Masangkay. The owner of the Elope With You, Maika. Our head nurse, Nini. The one who's decorating all the things. And Abigail. Hello, the assistant, the hard worker. Are you enjoying walking? Huh?
Later we're gonna enjoy the breakfast buffet.
Yes.
So it's good to have exercise.
Exercise.
So this is what I ate. And I would like to say hi to the following. Hi to OPD team, especially to April Roque and Mel Sakido. Thank you for watching my previous video. Hi to Chloe. Thanks for watching. Don't worry, next time we'll have a collab with Melman Lapas. Hi Jasmine. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.